we are. We're covering all the best places to eat in New York City. And we have number one on the best slice to get is Bleecker Street Pizza. So they have tons of different kinds of pizza in there, and it's like constant motion behind the counter. There's one guy putting the pizzas in, there's one guy kneading the dough, there's one guy giving you the pizza. And it's like your classic, what you'd want your classic New York vibe to be, which is a bunch of Italian guys yelling, the line's moving super fast. You better know your order when you get to the front or you're going to the back. So this is called the Grandma Slice, which I've heard of this name, but I've never actually tried it. So I don't know exactly what's on it, but to me it looks like a combination of a couple different kinds of cheese, fresh tomatoes and basil, and nice thin slice, which is what they love to do in New York City. So we're gonna have our little bite here. Oh my god. I'll just shoot first. Yeah, this is delicious because the dough is really nice. And also you can tell that the toppings are very fresh. Everything is very fresh. And while I was in there, I was thinking to myself, Grandma Slice is a weird name, but then you sort of think, maybe this is going back to the origin of one of their grandmothers and her making pizza. So this, you can tell, has that nice, authentic, simple but good Italian vibe to it. I would definitely give this 10 out of 10 pizzas. Value for money, $4.74 a slice. Honestly, you could go to chain pizza places and pay more for that. So I would say definite value for money, 100%. Thank you for tuning in. As usual, Planet You, and join us on all of our food tours, adventures by hitting the notifications bell to stay updated. Follow us, like us. We're here to entertain. All right, here I am post Grandma Slice. I have a little bit more information about it, which is that Grandma Slice is always cut square, so it will always be a square pan of pizza that is an oil-coated pizza, and it does have, like I said before, it is mozzarella, tomatoes, and they did put basil on this one, but the key of it actually is that they do the cheese underneath and the sauce on top, the reverse. So that's what makes it Grandma Slice. And it was actually kind of funny that I said earlier, like, oh, maybe it was one of their grandmother's recipes. That might not be the case. It could be, but it might not, because it was actually originated in New York City. So it's definitely authentically New York.